Have you ever wondered where Africa's hidden business gem lies? A place where entrepreneurial dreams can take root in a landscape of untapped potential and supportive policies. Welcome to Benin Republic, a small West African nation that is rapidly emerging as a magnet for foreign investment. In 2025, as global markets shift and opportunities abound in Africa, Benin stands out for its stable economy, investor-friendly climate, and strategic focus on sectors ripe for growth. Today, we explore 10 compelling business ideas for foreigners eager to tap into this vibrant market. Benin's economic story is one of transformation and promise. Once overshadowed by its larger neighbors, the nation has embraced a forward-thinking approach to economic development. With robust infrastructure projects, supportive government policies, and a strategic focus on sectors like agro-processing, real estate, renewable energy, tourism, digital services, manufacturing, logistics, fisheries, education, and mining, Benin is carving out a unique niche in Africa's competitive landscape. Let's begin our journey by examining the first idea: agro-processing and export. 1. Agro-processing and export. Benin has long been recognized as one of the world's top agricultural producers. As the fifth largest global producer of cashews and a significant producer of pineapples, yielding over 400,000 tons annually, the country possesses a natural advantage. Yet, much of its agricultural output is exported in raw form. This presents an extraordinary opportunity for value-added processing. Imagine setting up a facility that specializes in cashew shelling, pineapple juice production, or shea butter extraction. Processed agricultural exports can command 30 to 50% higher prices in international markets compared to raw products. The government is actively promoting local value chains through initiatives like the Glo-Jigbe Industrial Zone, GDIZs, which is designed to support agro-processing industries. By capitalizing on this initiative, foreign investors can not only tap into global markets, but also drive local employment and innovation. This business idea is not just about processing crops, it's about transforming raw potential into high-value products that speak to global demand. 2. Real estate development. Rapid urbanization in cities like Cotonou is creating an unprecedented demand for housing and commercial spaces. As urban populations swell and infrastructure projects continue to expand, there is a growing housing deficit that offers fertile ground for real estate development. Investors have an opportunity to build affordable housing complexes, commercial centers, and mixed-use developments that cater to both the middle class and the burgeoning urban workforce. Recent statistics show that Benin's construction sector grew by 3.9% in 2023, driven largely by public-private partnerships and urban infrastructure projects. The simplified land acquisition process and attractive tax incentives under the new investment code make Benin an appealing destination for real estate investment. For a foreign entrepreneur, this is a chance to be part of a market with strong annual returns on property investments and a promising long-term outlook. 3. Renewable energy solutions. With over 300 days of sunshine every year, Benin is perfectly positioned to harness solar energy. Despite its abundant natural resources, many rural areas in Benin still experience energy deficits. This gap creates a tremendous opportunity for installing off-grid solar solutions. From solar panels for rural households to larger installations for commercial use, renewable energy is set to revolutionize how energy is accessed and consumed across the nation. The government's commitment to renewable energy is evident in projects like the Pobe Solar Park, a 25-meter facility that has attracted significant international funding. For investors, the potential return on solar installations is not only consistent, but also impactful, offering both financial returns and the chance to contribute to sustainable development. 4. Tourism and hospitality. Benin's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty are often overlooked treasures. With historical sites such as the Ouida slave route and the ecological splendor of Penjari National Park, the nation has immense potential to become a top tourism destination. Although tourism currently contributes only about 2.5% to GDP, there is enormous scope for growth. Foreign investors can consider starting boutique hotels, eco-lodges, or guided cultural tour services that offer unique experiences to international visitors. The government's focus on improving infrastructure and promoting heritage tourism further enhances the viability of ventures in this sector. This isn't just about capitalizing on tourist dollars. It's about sharing Benin's story with the world and building a sustainable tourism industry for future generations. 5. Digital services and e-commerce. As internet penetration continues to rise in Benin, the digital economy is poised for exponential growth. The government's investment in digital inclusion projects and the establishment of tech hubs, such as the Cotonou Digital Center, are driving significant improvements in connectivity. This shift creates vast opportunities for businesses in digital services and e-commerce. Entrepreneurs can launch e-commerce platforms, digital marketing agencies, or software development firms tailored to local and regional needs. The potential for fintech solutions is also enormous, as more of the population gains access to the internet and mobile technology. For a foreign investor, the burgeoning digital landscape represents a gateway to innovative markets and a chance to be part of a tech-driven transformation in West Africa. 6. Manufacturing in Special Economic Zones, SEZs. Benin's Special Economic Zones, particularly the Glojigbe Industrial Zone, offer unmatched incentives for manufacturers. These zones provide tax exemptions on raw materials, corporate income tax holidays that can last up to 15 years, and duty-free export incentives. SEZs are designed to reduce operational costs and provide access to regional markets across ECOWAS, which collectively serve over 300 million consumers. Investors in manufacturing can consider setting up facilities for textiles, electronics assembly, or food processing. With an expected $1.4 billion in investments by 2030 and the creation of 300,000 jobs, SEZs offer a powerful platform for launching scalable manufacturing operations. This business idea combines reduced costs with expansive market access, making it an attractive proposition for foreign entrepreneurs. 7. Transportation and logistics. Benin's strategic position as a trade hub in West Africa is bolstered by modernized infrastructure. The port of Cotonou has seen a 19.9% increase in cargo traffic in the third quarter of 2024, reflecting the country's growing role in regional trade. Additionally, extensive rural road rehabilitation projects, amounting to 15,000 kilometers, are enhancing connectivity between agricultural areas and urban markets. These developments create significant opportunities in transportation and logistics. A foreign investor could establish a logistics company focused on freight forwarding, warehousing, and last-mile delivery services to support cross-border trade between Benin and its neighbors, like Nigeria and Togo. Efficient logistics are the backbone of economic growth, and in Benin, improved infrastructure is translating into lower operational costs and faster market access. 8. Fisheries and aquaculture. With its long coastline along the Gulf of Guinea, Benin is ideally positioned to expand its fisheries and aquaculture sector. Opportunities abound in fishing, shrimp farming, and fish processing for both local consumption and export markets. The rising demand for seafood products in West Africa, driven by an emerging middle class, further enhances this sector's potential. Government support for sustainable fishing practices and access to ECOWAS trade agreements mean that investors can expect favorable conditions in the fisheries and aquaculture industry. By investing in modern techniques and value-added processing, entrepreneurs can help transform Benin's rich aquatic resources into high-quality products for a global market. 9. Education and skill development centers. As Benin continues to modernize its economy, there is a growing need for education and skill development, particularly in technical and vocational fields. The government's policies encouraging technology transfer and workforce upskilling create an opening for establishing private technical institutes or corporate training centers. Areas such as IT, agro-processing, and renewable energy systems installation are particularly in demand. Foreign investors have the opportunity to set up education centers that not only provide vital skills to the local population, but also contribute to the development of a knowledgeable workforce ready to meet the challenges of emerging industries. These centers can be a crucial link between international expertise and local talent, driving both economic growth and social progress. 10. Mining exploration and processing. Finally, Benin is endowed with untapped mineral resources, including gold, phosphate, kaolin, marble, and even promising oil reserves confirmed by recent geological studies. The government is actively seeking foreign partners to responsibly exploit these resources, offering incentives such as reduced taxes on capital gains from mining activities. Early entry into the mining sector can position investors to benefit from the rising global demand for minerals essential for manufacturing and construction. By investing in exploration and value-added processing, foreign businesses can help unlock the full potential of Benin's mineral wealth, contributing to the nation's broader economic diversification. Conclusion: why invest in Benin? Benin's rise as an investment hotspot is driven by a combination of stable economic fundamentals, supportive government policies, and strategic development across key sectors. From agro-processing and real estate to renewable energy, tourism, digital services, manufacturing, logistics, fisheries, education, and mining, Benin offers a diverse range of opportunities for foreign investors. The nation's stable currency, anchored by the CFA francs' peg to the euro, provides a safe haven from the currency volatility experienced in other African economies. Its real estate market is booming, supported by rapid urbanization and infrastructure development, while its agricultural sector stands out for its productivity and potential for value addition. Attractive tax incentives, including extended tax holidays in special economic zones, further enhance Benin's appeal. Moreover, burgeoning sectors such as tourism and digital services, coupled with modern infrastructure in transportation and logistics, create a dynamic environment for business growth. Add to this a commitment to education and skill development, and the untapped riches of its mining sector, and the picture is clear. Benin is emerging as an economic powerhouse. For foreign investors, particularly those from America, Benin represents a unique opportunity to enter a market with high growth potential and relatively low risk. While larger African nations like Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa continue to grapple with currency volatility, political instability, and complex regulatory environments, Benin offers a stable, investor-friendly alternative where smart policies and visionary leadership are paving the way for sustainable development. This small yet dynamic nation is proving that economic opportunity is not solely a function of size. Instead, it is defined by the strength of a country's policies, the quality of its infrastructure, and the resilience of its people. In Benin, every sector, from agriculture to tech, real estate to mining, is poised for growth. American investors are increasingly taking notice, recognizing that this hidden boom in West Africa is not just a fleeting trend, but the foundation for long-term prosperity. As you consider your next investment move, ask yourself, what if you could be part of a revolution that is reshaping the future of an entire region? With its strategic location as a gateway to West Africa, Benin offers unparalleled access to regional markets and a business climate that is both promising and secure. In summary, Benin is setting the stage for a new era of economic development, a time when stability meets opportunity and innovation drives growth. For those looking to invest in Africa's growth story, Benin is not just a destination, it is a platform for transformative success. The promise of high returns, combined with the assurance of a stable and supportive environment, makes Benin one of the smartest choices for foreign entrepreneurs in 2025. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the top 10 business ideas for foreigners in Benin Republic. As you reflect on these opportunities, consider the powerful potential of investing in a nation that is quietly outpacing its larger counterparts through smart, strategic, and sustainable development. Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more insights into the trends and opportunities that are shaping the global economy. The future is ripe for those who dare to invest in innovation. Benin awaits your vision and entrepreneurial spirit. Click here to watch the next recommended video. See you in the next one.